To say that the Earth has emotions is not an anthropomorphization. Emotions are not human. Otherwise, plants would not respond to music. A mysterious ooze flows through the earth, from its core to its soil and into its clouds. This ooze forms the earth's personality and mood. While science focuses on the identification and measurement of fundamental physical constants, the earth oozes and shifts. On December 23rd, 2011, in Coalinga, California, I discovered a place where the earth opens up and pours some of its ooze into a prismatic hourglass of light hovering in the sky. A bright bulb in the center, with inverted cones of light above and below, shone. You can see the pair of locked triangles whose edges slowly dissolve in rays of flickered light, like salt in water. Since 1972, the velocity of light has been considered to be 299,792.458 kilometers per second. The second, meanwhile, is now defined in terms of the frequency of light emitted by a particular kind of excitation of cesium-133 atoms. Quote, the transition between the two hyperfine levels of its ground state. That, according to the 13th Conférence Générale des Poids et Mesures in 1967. In other words, a second is now 9,192,631,770 times the period of vibration of that particular light. How about the meter? The meter was last redefined in 1983 as the length of the path traveled by light in a vacuum in 299,792,458ths of a second. So, the units in which the velocity of light are measured, distance and time, meters and seconds, are both now defined in terms of light itself. And the earth oozes. This hourglass of light in Coalinga just hangs, suspended in the air. It is a place on earth with no space. Light just shines there, still taking the shape of the void in space, like water seeking its own level. It just happens to take the shape of an ancient measuring device for time. Yet the particles for measurement are conspicuously absent. Alfred North Whitehead, in his 1933 book, Adventures of Ideas, not Adventures in Ideas, Adventures of Ideas, Alfred wrote, since the laws of nature depend on the individual characters of the things constituting nature, as the things change, then consequently the laws will change. Thus, the modern evolutionary view of the physical universe should conceive of the laws of nature as evolving concurrently with the things constituting the environment. Thus, the conception of the universe as evolving subject to fixed eternal laws should be abandoned. Abandon. Da-boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. The oozing of the earth is not necessarily a decoherence. It is more of a recoherence, based on what we have all been aware of at one point or another. Explanations are never adequate, and they are not what we genuinely seek. What matters is when things feel right, when the universe seems to snap together and emit a zing. It makes us think, you are in the right place. You are doing the right thing. You fit. Then you can ooze, and the earth oozes with you.